Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nisha, aka Future Coolest, and I'm back with another video. I'm super excited about this video. I've been wanting to do this since the beginning of the month. From the moment I laid eyes on this product, I wanted to do this video, but obviously I had to get the product, and of course it wasn't even released yet. It was only released at a beauty hair show in Atlanta, and for me even saying Atlanta, you probably already know what product I'm talking about. I am talking about the new STYLER gel that recently came out. Actually, I think it recently just released on their website. Some people got their hands on it before it was released on their website through a beauty hair store that was happening in Atlanta. When I told you I was reaching out to people I knew in Atlanta to get this product, I was searching all over for it because I just had to get my hands on it. Like, what really caught me with this product was the ingredients. So like, it has olive oil and shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. Like, what? I don't really use a lot of gel in my hair, but with the EcoStyle brand, I've used the olive oil. I've had the olive oil, and I like that one. I've tried the coconut oil one. I've also tried the flaxseed and black castor oil one. That one's like my top favorite because it doesn't leave no white residue in your hair. But yeah, this is basically the fourth EcoStyle gel that I'm trying out by this brand, and I'm really super excited. I've watched a few reviews on YouTube with this product. I've seen a lot of great reviews, and I've also seen a couple not so great reviews, but I don't really go off what people say. I like to try products on my own just to see if I like it, because everyone applies and does their own thing when it comes to products. So I just had to go in and give it a try. And shout out to my friend that actually went to the hair show, and that's how I got it. I heard it's like $18 online for the small container. This is a 16-ounce one, and I heard that it's like $18 online. I don't know if that's including shipping or not, but for this little container, that's pretty crazy, because I have the bigger castor oil gel. Maybe it's like a little bigger, and I paid only $7.99 for it. So that's pretty insane. I mean, that's the thing with this natural hair journey. There's gonna be times where you're gonna be like, I'm not spending that money. There's gonna be other times you're gonna be like, oh, I can't believe I just spent that amount of money on a product. But that's how the journey goes. So let's talk about this product. It has olive oil and shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed in it. So it adds shines to your hair, it has hold, it moisturizes your hair, it nourishes your hair, it helps repair your hair. It also promotes hair growth, no flake, no tack, and it's anti-itch. So I'm really hoping that this has no flake, because when I tried out the coconut oil one, that one had a lot of flake to it and I didn't really like it. And the hold on that I found was way more than the black castor and flaxseed. So I'm really hoping that this does what it says, because it's one thing when you spend money in a product and it says it doesn't do this and it ends up doing that. It's just the biggest turnoff in life. So I'm really hoping that this product doesn't fail me, because I've seen that it fails some people. But what I've noticed in a couple reviews, this is why I say it's always good to try stuff on your own, because everyone applies product differently to their hair. When you're mixing certain products together, I always mix it in my hand, and depending on the result that I get in my hand, I'll know if the products that I'm using work well together, or if it doesn't. When you're using products together, it's not supposed to clump. It's not supposed to give you like this clump. It's actually supposed to mix out. And that's kind of a way how you can determine, okay, yes, these two products can mix together. I've done this in my previous video when I did the review on the black castor and flaxseed gel when it first came out. So I never got no flakes. Some people said they did get flakes, but again, it depends on the product that you are mixing with the gel. So my hair is freshly washed. My hair is freshly washed right now. Quick length check. It's almost touching my waist actually. It's like literally right here, and my waist is like down here. It's like mid. So this is my hair. There's nothing in my hair right now. Ooh, I didn't even tell y'all about the smell or anything. Okay, so with this product, it is a open top, but for some reason it's so hard to open. I don't know why. Wow. Do you guys understand? You guys don't even know how long I've been struggling to open it, but It's not a twist top. Of course you can twist it off, but it's not a twist top. It's actually a cap, like it's open and close. So it's easy to open, close, you know, you don't have to worry about like sealing it, which I do like because I find with some of my other gels that are twist tops, sometimes if you don't put the cover on properly, like your gel will get all sticky, like it loses its formation or like its consistency. And that's happened with some of my gels before. So I like that. This is just a quick, it just has a cap and you just open and close it. So guys, ow. This product smells friggin' amazing. Not even frickin', usually I say frickin', but this smells friggin' amazing. Like it smells so good. It has like this nice, like, I want to say fruity but not fruity smell. It just smells, I don't know if you guys ever use like herbal essence shampoo, like those ones that smell really, really, really good. That's what this smells like. This smells so friggin' good. The consistency is very smooth. It's not too thick and it's not too light, but it looks like it will have a good hold. Like I'll definitely would want to try out this product on a slick back to see how it holds. I tried it out on my baby hair and it did hold my baby hair in place and it didn't leave any white residue. So, I mean, I guess if I really wanted to, I can use it on its own, but I just really want to try it with a leave-in conditioner. Especially because my hair is kind of going through something right now, so I need to add some leave-in conditioner. But yeah, the texture is very smooth. It's very soft. Smells amazing. It's not sticky at all. Let me show you guys. It's not sticky. It's very smooth. Like it rubs out. Now, I'm just gonna take a little in my hand. And I have two leave-in conditioners that I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my Entwine one with it. I'm just gonna put a little bit just to see if it blends out with it, because I don't want any white residue in my hair. So this is all I do. I have the gel and then I have the cream and I just mix it in my hand. So with this, automatically it's melting in my hand. Like it's almost like there's nothing there. So that's how I know that this product will work well together in my hair. You know, you got to make sure that you're testing out your products to see which ones mix together. So this product is actually almost done. And this is like my favorite leave-in conditioner. So I'm just gonna, like I said earlier, my hair is freshly washed. It is a little dry, so I'm just gonna be adding in some leave-in conditioner. And I'm probably gonna have to add in a little, you're annoying. I'm gonna have to add in a little bit more water. Just because I had my hair in my, this is just plain water. This is the thing I always say, but just in case you're new to my channel and just happen to stumble across this video, I like when my hair is wet, or like damp I should say, because I feel like that's when the product really goes onto my hair and I really get like that result that I'm looking for, versus when my hair is dry. Okay, so I'm just grabbing a little bit, it's not really a little bit, but I'm actually just smoothing the product onto my hair from the roots to the end. And I like to use the prayer method to kind of really get it in there. I'm just gonna comb the product through. So I'm just smoothing each section out. I was gonna finger coil, but it's okay. I'm just gonna smooth each section out. Right off the bat, the product feels very smooth on my hair. It almost feels like I'm putting nothing on my hair. Like, gels have this kind of consistency thing where if, like, you know when you're putting gel on your hair. With this product, it almost feels like you're not putting gel on your hair. Like, I almost feel like, did I put enough? Like, that's how I feel, but I'm not even gonna stress it. I'm just gonna put it in and see. And then next time I'll know, okay, yeah, I need to go in with more. to go and use a different leave-in conditioner, and this is why I say it's so important for you guys to try out your products before, because look at this. Can you guys see the clumps between my fingers? I was literally about to go and scrunch this in my hair, which means my hair would have had white residue all over. Look at that. This is the gel mixed with the Hair Infinity. This is the gel mixed with the Hair Infinity Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner. Because that one's done, I just wanted to crunch. That's all I want to do. And look at that. I use only a little and it's so much clumps. That's why I know these products. Nah. All this white residue would have been in my hair. So this is proof that you need to test all your products before. So now I can't put that in my hair. So this is my hair with the product in. Still a lot of movement. My hair does not feel heavy at all. It feels really light, like I said earlier. It almost makes me feel like, did I put enough product in? But I won't know until it's fully dry. That's how I'll like really know. There's really not a lot of frizz in my hair. Like the frizz is very minimal, like literally very minimal, but it also could be because I took the time to smooth the product in each strand. So I'm actually just gonna continue to let it air dry, because I know if I go and diffuse, it's gonna cause me to be touching my hair and manipulating my curls, and I really want to see the full results from this product. So I'm gonna let it air dry. That's gonna take a couple of hours. I'll be back in a couple of hours and I'll show you guys the final results to my hair. This looks really cute even just like this, but I don't really wear my hair like this anymore. But I'm so excited to see the final results. Like, y'all don't even know, like my curls look super moisturized and shiny right now. I can't wait to see the results. I don't even want to touch my hair. Ugh. But yeah, so I'm gonna let my hair air dry and I'll be back and show you guys the final results. I didn't end up coming back on camera yesterday, so this is a whole new day. So I ended up wrapping my hair up, and this could be a good or a bad thing, but my hair took so long to dry, and like I was doing schoolwork and I got caught up with the time and all that, so I didn't even have time to come back on camera. I'm like literally getting ready for school right now, and like yeah, I'm just coming on to show you guys the final results to my hair and giving you guys the final thoughts on these products. So moment of truth. I use this satin scarf to tie my hair. Okay. Bruh. My hair, I mean, okay. okay. Girl's a little shook right now. But where do I even start? Day one hair, and look at all this volume that I have. A lot of definition. My hair looks really soft. Some of my curls are still clumped together, but that's okay. We can separate those. But definitely a lot of definition to my hair, and my hair feels really soft. There is no crunch to my hair whatsoever. I'm like shook right now. This is day one here. So the one thing about this product is it's a gel. So when I see max hold of 10, I'm automatically thinking like it's gonna be holding my hair with like a heavy hold, like a thick heavy hold. My hair does not feel like that at all. It feels really soft and really smooth. As for moisture, it doesn't feel as dry, but I do feel like I might have to go in and maybe put a little bit of oil on it. There's no flake. Literally, whenever I put gel in my hair, by me even like shaking it out a little, I would be seeing like flakes flying out of my hair. There's no flakes, there's no dryness, there's no crunchiness. My hair is literally soft. Look at that. A lot of bounce, a lot of movement, no stiffness. Overall, like I said, this product is amazing. I really like this gel. I feel like what it says it's supposed to do is what it did. It gave me a little bit of hold. It definitely gave me a lot of shine, a lot of definition, and my hair feels really soft. That is a big thing for me right now, because this is a gel. Like usually gels don't really make your hair feel soft. Usually you have like that, like I said, heavy hold, and this did not do that. My hair feels super soft right now, and I'm just really shook with the curls. Like look at this. Do you guys see this? This is crazy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of me applying the new Eco Style olive oil and shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed gel to my hair. Let me know your thoughts down below. Have you already tried out this product? And if you did it work for you? Did it not? And if you haven't already, are you going to try it out? Let me know down below. And also let me know what's your favorite Eco Style gel that's out right now. And I will see you guys in my next video.